right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. What a way to start a Monday. And we're going to recap for you some really nice setups that we caught today on both the S&P 500 as well as the Nasdaq. For all you Nasdaq lovers out there, I'm going to show you something that will defy belief. We're talking about 600-point sell-off on the Nasdaq. That's 2,400 ticks or pips if you're following along in futures and Forex, all right? But let's start with the S&P. Okay, the market absolutely got rocked today. Just a massive plunge. And what you're seeing right now on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, is the S&P 500. Okay, this is the global benchmark for active day traders. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES, as you can see here in the top. If you trade stocks, your symbol is SPY. And yes, they have an amazing Forex version, SPX 500. You should see that Forex chart from today, guys. You'd fall out of your chair. Okay. Look, if the S&P 500 is your game, remember that all of these asset classes move in lockstep. All right. The futures markets is going to move with the stock symbol, and the stock symbol is going to move with the Forex symbol. The S&P 500 is just a global benchmark. It's up to you what specific asset class you decide, right? Futures, stocks, and Forex, it's all good. Okay, and frankly speaking, if you're an active day trader and you're looking to make money from the market, you're passionate and excited about speculating in the market, then I don't think it should matter, right? Whether you trade futures or Forex or stocks, I think they're all the same, but I happen to really like futures and Forex because that's where you can get the best leverage, far better than stocks, all right? Anyway, let's take a look at the setup from today. I wish I had caught this overnight move, like this gigantic sell-off happened, Sunday night. What are you going to do, man? Sometimes the move happens and it'll happen without you. But never, ever make the mistake of thinking that there aren't setups to be had in the morning session, okay? I've told you guys repeatedly, just forget the noise, turn off TV, stop surfing the internet, just focus on what the market is telling you. All right, and today, if we zoom in here, all right, let's take a look at this amazing short setup, okay? This one was what I call the money trade from today. And folks, it's really easy, all right? So whenever the volume indicator, which is this proprietary green and red band that you see on the chart, okay? Whenever it turns a certain color, that is your clue that the market direction has shifted. That's all it tells you, right? And what you have to do is use that information to properly take a trade accordingly using a low risk strategy. Okay. And something that's becoming a favorite of mine, ladies and gentlemen, and this is from a customer of mine that I spoke to over the weekend who's killing it on this strategy, and that is using retracements. Okay, what is a retracement pattern? Well, let me show you. Okay, a retracement pattern looks like this. The market makes an initial leg downward move like this. Then it retraces up like this, right? Then the big leg of the move happens. Does this make sense to you, ladies and gentlemen? So leg one, establishing the direction, which happens right here, where this big fat arrow is pointing, right? Tells you that the direction has changed. Okay, leg two here is the retracement. This is where you are now looking to get this short trade correct because you're then anticipating leg three. Makes sense, folks? So let me delete this and let's look for that pattern to appear in the price action. Okay, so check this out. Leg one. Okay, the market turns, giving us a clue. Hey, boss, lower prices might be around the corner. What do? Let's look for and wait for a retracement. And wouldn't you know it, you get the retracement right here. Okay? Look, folks, retracements are scary when they happen, right? They kind of look like the market's going against the overall direction. But as a smart and patient trader, you have to outsmart the other rookie traders, the beginner traders, the people that don't know what they're doing, right? So as the retracement's underway, we now have a red, aka short bias. So what are we doing? We are waiting for the first red bar to close. Okay? So this bar right here, folks, becomes your signal bar. Does this make sense? Please let me know. I genuinely want to know if this makes sense. Because look, candlesticks tell you absolutely nothing useful about the market trend. For example, if you were looking at candlestick charts today trying to figure out the market trend, or if you tried to buy this market today, then God help you, okay, if you were using candlestick charts today, because on the volume chart from today that I just outlined for you a few moments ago, this exact signal that printed at about 9:30, it was nothing but sell, sell, sell all day long for a shocking $6,000 potential short trade based on really just a very simple, ladies and gentlemen, volume indicator. All right. No one's ever going to convince me that volume doesn't work. All right. Volume is the only thing that will tell you the truth. Okay. Now let's also take a look at the Nasdaq. This is symbol NQ for you futures, QQQ for you stock traders, and NAS 100 for you Forex traders. All right. NAS 100. And again, this is the volume indicator layered on top of the Nasdaq. Folks, you tell me if these signals were obvious to spot today, right? The simple color change. This signal 1 here came from the previous session. If you were fortunate enough to be hanging on to your short from the previous session, my goodness, you've just made the rest of your year, right? Now, of course, if you missed that signal 1, and I'm sure many of you did, I missed that trade. I wish I had caught it. I did not. Look at the second opportunity from today. All right, the volume does actually turn green a little bit, and then boom, turns red. The market just gets smashed to the downside. And let me just check the time here. Yep, it's about 1:45. We still have over 1 hour of trading to go. Okay, I can't even imagine how this market's going to close today. But look, folks, at the end of the day, guys, you have to decide what kind of trader are you, right? Are you a candlestick trader? Are you an indicator trader? Or are you a professional trader? Do you desire to learn how to trade price action, educate yourself, and teach yourself a very valuable skill using nothing more than volume? Okay, so look, for all you vol traders out there, I know you had a great day today. I hope you were actively trading and you squeezed every single dollar that you could out of this awesome sell-off. And for everybody else, I don't know what you're doing, but get off the sidelines, get involved, and learn to trade volume. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.